A digital village has been officially handed over to the community of Malibongwe Ridge, near Cosmos City, Johannesburg. The village comprises of an internet school, generator, healthcare center, medical center, and an admin center, all which are solar powered. Samsung Electronics Africa Head of Public Affairs, Nduthule Chenye, explains what the digital village will offer Malibongwe Ridge residents and neighboring areas.
So the services that we brought here is absolutely free for the community. You know, we understand that, of course, these services have to be sustainable. But you know, as Samsung and our partners, including government and the NGO sector, we are making sure that at least for the time being, over a year, that you know, the services will be free to the community, and that we can see how, as we move forward, we can ensure that the services are sustainable. Head of Fodisong Clinic, Didi Mujapela, speaks about the challenges she faces as the head of the clinic.
The staff complement. It's a big challenge because we see a lot of people, because we see people as far as Cosmos City, Kaisend, they come on site for help, and one person cannot handle the load. Thus, some of them, though we don't turn anybody, we do screening before so that we can see those who are very sick and those who can be able to come the following day, because we don't want to do, you know, quick service. We want to treat the people in totality.
BDFM spoke to some of the residents about the digital village.
I'm happy to see this happening here today. I'm so glad because we had a clinic before, but they were closing very early at 12.
This clinic is going to be very nice for us because we'll come here and get health for free, and we get everything free here. So it's good for us.